Wrist joint replacement surgery, also known as total wrist arthroplasty, is a procedure used to replace a severely damaged arthritic wrist with an artificial joint made of metal and plastic components. It is performed to relieve pain and restore function when non-surgical treatments no longer provide adequate relief. The procedure is typically performed under general or regional anesthesia. An incision is made over the back of the wrist to access the joint. The surrounding tendons are carefully moved aside to expose the wrist, and the nerves are protected throughout the procedure to prevent injury. The damaged joint surfaces of the forearm bones are then removed using specialized surgical instruments. In some cases, the first row of carpal bones is also removed. Next, the radius bone is prepared, and the radial component of the prosthesis is inserted and secured, often using bone cement. Depending on the implant design, the carpal component is placed either into the remaining carpal bones or into the third metacarpal of the hand. In some cases, the carpal bones may be fused together to provide added stability. A plastic spacer is then positioned between the metal components to allow smooth movement. Once the implant is in place, the surgeon tests the wrist through its range of motion and irrigates the area with a sterile solution. Finally, the incision is closed, a sterile dressing is applied, and the wrist is immobilized with a cast.